Hi folks, Dave at Creative Crafthouse to show you another of our Math Magic category of puzzles. Something I have been pursuing with great fun. This is one of my designs and we call it Mind Reader Animal Alpha. In this puzzle you see you have 5 animals here and they are precision cut. I use very thick wood here. I wanted to make sure the pieces were quite strong. They're 1/4-inch woods, and there are different woods. I will mix up the woods for you. You'll have at least 3 different woods and probably have 5. This happens to be ash and mahogany and 2 types of maple and an alder. Now, to perform this trick, what you will do is ask someone to think of any letter of the alphabet, English alphabet, but keep it secret. Then there's a couple ways you could go from there. One way is to ask him to simply tell you which animals contain his letter. You'll notice that the animals all have letters written on them, but not all the letters, and the letters vary on each animal. So you might ask him which animals contain your letter, and he may say the beaver and the cat, for instance. Or you might ask him to make 2 piles and turn them upside down so that you can't see any letters. 2 piles. One pile for the items that do not have the letter chosen, which would be over there, and then there's a pile here with that do contain the letters that you have chosen, the beaver and the cat in this particular instance. And from there you will be able to easily, well, maybe not easily, but hopefully easily tell him what the letter would be. In this case, the letter would be F, by the way. And how do we do this? Well, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and to give you an idea. It does take a little bit of horsepower. I recommend this for ages 14 and up. It uses as a basis a binary code, but you do not have to understand it. And if you're familiar with our Mind Reader cards, it's a good introductory puzzle for this one, to understand this one better. But to perform it without understanding binary code, simply assign a number value to the animals in this manner. You'll notice that we have an animal that starts with an A, a B, a C, a D, and I couldn't think of a good one with an E to make. I tried eagle, but the pieces were too fragile, so I went to F, so that's the last letter. So they go alphabetically and assign numbers that happen to be binary decimal point values, but the number 1 to the alligator, and then double it, 2 to the beaver, and then double it again, 4 to the cat, then double it again, 8 to the dog, and then double it again, 16 to the fish. So the alligator is 1, the beaver is 2, the cat is 4, the dog is 8, and the fish is 16 in terms of their number value. Now whatever animals contain the letters chosen, and in our example we used the beaver and the cat, add the number value of the beaver. Second animal, the number value is 2. Add the number value of the cat. Third animal, number value is 4 together. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Now you must go to the 6th letter of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F. The answer would be F. And that's how you perform this trick. Add up the number value of the animals that contain the letter and convert that to the equivalent letter of the alphabet. You can kind of use a little cheat sheet. You can write down the alphabet with a number code on a little piece of paper. And then you can, on a separate half of that piece of paper, a different piece of paper, write down the letter and let them open it so they don't really know you're even looking at a cheat sheet. But it works pretty well, pretty fun. They have no idea how you did it. It takes a little practice, but can be quite effective. Take a look at all our other Math Magic puzzles, almost all of them unique to us. It's a category that we were trying to develop because we have so much fun with it. Thanks very much.